Welcome to Factful Finance. Imagine this. You're in high school, and while most of your peers are just starting to get a grasp on their allowance, you're already putting money in the bank, learning new skills, and setting yourself up for financial success. Sounds like a dream? Well, it's possible, and today we're diving into the best side hustles and ways to make money in high school. Let's turn your free time into a financial advantage. But first, a quick disclaimer. The information provided here is for educational purposes only. Listing apps or products does not imply endorsement, and we recommend consulting a financial professional for personalized advice. Now back to it. High school can be the perfect time to start building your financial foundation. Why? Because the earlier you start earning, saving, and investing, the better prepared you'll be for your financial future. But where should you begin? Let's break down some of the best side hustles for teens, ones that are not just lucrative but also build real-world skills. First up, freelance digital work. If you've got any talent in design, writing, or even coding, you can get started on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or even social media. Take Olivia, for instance. She was only 16 when she started offering graphic design services online. Within a year, she had enough to pay for her own college applications and even save a bit for a car. Freelance digital work allows you to work on your schedule, build a portfolio, and learn transferable skills that will look great on a resume. Next, tutoring. If you excel at a subject like math, English, or science, tutoring can be an amazing way to earn extra cash. Benjamin found success by tutoring younger students in algebra and geometry. What started as a way to help classmates turned into a steady stream of income. The key to success in tutoring is consistency and patience, two skills that will pay off in the long run. Another option is social media management. Let's be real, almost everyone has social media accounts, but not everyone knows how to manage them well. Enter James, who saw a need for small businesses in his area to improve their online presence. By managing their accounts, creating content, and engaging with customers, he was able to help these businesses grow while earning a solid paycheck. And let's not forget online marketplaces like eBay, Depop, or Etsy. This is an easy way to turn clutter into cash. Amelia, for example, began selling vintage clothes she found at thrift stores on Depop. Over time, she learned the art of reselling and turned it into a profitable venture. Not only does this help you declutter, but it also teaches important business concepts, like marketing and product pricing. Pet sitting or dog walking is another side hustle that's been gaining traction. If you love animals, this is a fun and low-barrier entry to earning money. Olivia started walking her neighbor's dogs after school and found it to be both rewarding and profitable. Pet sitting or dog walking is perfect because it offers flexibility. You can schedule it around your school and extracurricular activities. Now some of you might be thinking, but I don't have much time to commit. No worries. There are plenty of micro tasks you can do in your spare time. Platforms like Swagbucks or Amazon's Mechanical Turk allow you to complete small tasks like surveys or data entry for money. While this might not make you rich, it's a way to earn on your own terms. So what should you take away from today? The most important thing is to start early. The more time you put into these side hustles, the more you can learn, grow, and increase your earning potential. These ventures not only help you make money, but also provide you with valuable skills that will be useful throughout your career. But here's the secret. It's not just about making money. It's about learning how to manage it too. Start small, budget your earnings, and consider saving a portion for long-term goals, like college or an investment fund. A good strategy to follow is the 50-30-20 rule. 50% for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings or debt repayment. You can use apps like Mint or YNAB, You Need a Budget, to help you keep track of your money. What's your first step toward earning as a teen? Are you going to start your own tutoring service or launch a small online business? I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for stopping by Factful Finance. If you found this video helpful and want to stay on top of all things finance, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss out on our latest videos. And if you like this one, we think you'll enjoy the next video on your screen. which could be just what you need to kickstart your financial journey. Until next time, keep learning, keep earning, and as always, stay financially factful.